Have you ever wondered what truly motivates human beings? Why do some people focus on survival while others strive for greatness? In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating ideas of Abraham Maslow through 10 important questions and answers that every psychology student should know.
Who was Abraham Maslow?
Abraham Maslow, 1908 to 1970, was an American psychologist best known for developing the hierarchy of needs theory. He became one of the leading figures in humanistic psychology and focused on understanding human potential, personal growth, happiness, and self-fulfillment rather than mental illness.
What is Abraham Maslow famous for?
Maslow is famous for creating the hierarchy of needs, a motivational theory often represented as a pyramid. The theory explains that human beings are motivated by a series of needs, starting with basic survival requirements and progressing towards self-actualization, the realization of one's full potential.
What is Maslow's hierarchy of needs?
Maslow's hierarchy of needs consists of 5 levels: physiological needs, safety needs, love and belongingness needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. According to Maslow, people generally satisfy lower-level needs before focusing on higher-level psychological and personal growth needs.
What are physiological needs?
Physiological needs form the foundation of Maslow's pyramid. These include food, water, air, sleep, shelter, and other biological necessities required for survival. If these needs are unmet, individuals are unlikely to focus on higher-level goals or personal development.
What are safety needs?
Safety needs involve protection from danger and the desire for stability. They include personal security, health, financial security, employment, and safe living conditions. Once physiological needs are satisfied, people seek environments that provide predictability and protection.
What are love and belongingness needs?
These needs relate to social relationships and emotional connections. Humans naturally seek friendship, family bonds, romantic relationships, and group acceptance. Maslow believed that feeling loved and accepted is essential for psychological well-being and healthy personality development.
What are esteem needs?
Esteem needs involve self-respect, confidence, achievement, recognition, and the respect of others. When these needs are fulfilled, individuals feel competent and valued. Unmet esteem needs can lead to feelings of inferiority, weakness, and low self-confidence.
What is self-actualization?
Self-actualization is the highest level of Maslow's hierarchy. It refers to achieving one's fullest potential and becoming the best version of oneself. Self-actualized individuals pursue creativity, personal growth, meaningful goals, and a deep sense of purpose in life.
What is humanistic psychology?
Humanistic psychology is a psychological approach that emphasizes human strengths, free will, personal growth, and self-discovery. Maslow believed psychology should study healthy, successful individuals as well as mental disorders, focusing on what makes life meaningful and fulfilling.
Why is Abraham Maslow still important today?
Maslow's theories continue to influence psychology, education, business management, leadership, counseling, and personal development. His ideas help explain human motivation and inspire people to pursue growth, happiness, and self-fulfillment, making his work relevant even in the modern world. Abraham Maslow transformed psychology by shifting attention from human weaknesses to human potential. His hierarchy of needs remains one of the most influential theories in psychology, reminding us that every person has the capacity to grow, achieve, and become the best version of themselves. Which level of Maslow's hierarchy do you think is most important in today's world? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Essay Academy for more psychology insights.